Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So if you receive a suspicious login attempt on Snapchat, it is important to take immediate action to secure your account. So here's what you can do. So first is to change your password. So first, change your Snapchat password. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. So to change your password, launch your Snapchat application. Click on the Bitmoji icon at the upper left corner of your screen and click on the gear icon or the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and select password. And now to set a new password, you need to enter your current password first. And once you've done that, you should be able to set your new password. Okay? And the next thing that you can do is to enable two-factor authentication. So enable two-factor authentication for your Snapchat account if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password when logging in. So the code is typically sent to you to your registered phone number or email. So to do that, go ahead and go to settings again. Scroll down until you see two-factor authentication option. So just go ahead and click on continue and click on let's do it. Okay, so now you need to choose a way to receive your verification code. So you can choose either SMS or a code will be sent to your phone number or authentication app. So generate a code on your device using a app like Google Authenticator. Okay, so just go ahead and select the method that you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead with SMS. So now just go ahead and tap your mobile number and you need to verify it. Okay. And if you choose the authentication app, what you need to do is to choose an option below. Okay. So you can choose set up automatically, set up manually, and find an app. Okay. So now what you can also do is to update email and phone number. So make sure your registered email address and phone number are up to date. This ensures that you can receive account recovery information and notifications if needed. Now, report suspicious activity. If you believe your account has compromised, report the suspicious activity to Snapchat support team. They can assist you in regaining control of your account. Okay? And lastly is the contact support. So if you're unable to resolve the issue on your own, consider reaching out to the Snapchat's official support for further assistance. Remember that the steps to address suspicious login attempts might change based on the involving security features of Snapchat. Always refer to the most up-to-date instructions provided by Snapchat's official support resources for accurate guidance. Okay? And once you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!